Hello again. Today I'm going to pick this GEGE AP2000 cylinder. It has 5 pins and a very mean keyway, as one can see. It has a working key. Works nicely. So let's get started. I used 2 different southward hooks because it's difficult to get through the warding with this deeper hook. I also use a shallow one. For tensioning I used a multi-pick tension wrench, and let's see if we find some binders. 1 is springy, 2 is springy, 3, 4 gives a little click, 5 maybe, 1, 2, 3, 4 maybe, 5, nothing. Something on 3, a little bit on 4, some nice clicks on 5, back to the front again. Now maybe 1. Yes, there we go. 2, still nothing from 2. 3, 4, 5. I go through the pins a few times and try to set them a bit so that we can proceed with the shallow hook, which I will do now. Let's see. Start deeper in the warding, and there's a nice click from 1. 2 is still not set. Need to set it down from top. Click from 3. 4 needs some setting. Back to 1 maybe. 2 feels good. 3. There's something from 4 again. And there we go. It's open. Great. So now let's go on and cut it. Penetrate. Let's close it up again and remove that clip. Screwdriver will do, I think. And then, oops, oh, sprung away, no problem. So I gutted the other part beforehand to make this easier. Maybe we can do it without a shim. I think it should do. There we go. Let's see what's inside here. There's a master wafer in 1 and 1 in 2. No, that was 3. And this should be 2. No master wafer here. And number 4, no, this was 4, also master wafer. and 5. So that's the core. We have counter millings here in all the chambers except one. And let's see what is inside the Bible. Tweezers. Oh, that pin went away. That is a serrated. Second is standard. Third is serrated. Fourth is standard. And 5 is serrated. And we still have some springs. Oh, there's the last one. So that's all. Nothing special in the Bible. And here we are. GEGE AP2000. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.